Da-na-na. Insert intro. Alright, so, yeah, this nice Sargent lock I just picked. I didn't manage to get it on video, unfortunately. I've been trying to get this guy for a while. But, yeah, I got a couple of these guys, and this is what they look like. You know, I already kind of took the back off of this one to take the cylinder out, but I don't have a key for either of these, but I do have this key. Should be a similar bitting to this. They came from the same building, so they should be the same. I actually thought this key fit one of them, but I was mistaken. So I'm going to take it apart and try it, and we'll see what's in there. Alright. Well, let's be careful on this guy so I don't I don't want to accidentally reset him and lock him up. Should right in this one, yeah. Oh, of course, spill all the fucking key pins. Oh my god. But, oh yeah, we got some master wafers. Actually, what the fuck did I lose? Couple master wafers. Looks like a driver pin I accidentally popped out. Only lost one key pin. Should have taken my fucking pick out. I don't know why I left it in there. Not sure. Hold on. Alright, so I ran out of storage as I was filming, but so popped out these key pins there, you know. The bitting was very similar to that key. It's going to be slightly off. I think I'm going to actually end up trying to repin it to fit that key if they happen to match, if I can make some combination that fits. Maybe I'll, if I have enough, maybe I'll file down something on this and make it work. But yeah, a couple master wafers, and we'll see what's in the Bible in a second. Alright, so got all the driver pins out. They're all standard, big springs. Yeah, I think what made this lock so tough was the bitting in it. And the precision that it was made is definitely not much play in it. Took me a while to get picked. They had definitely had a high pin in the very back that was difficult to hit. But yeah, so I'm gonna try and make a key for it and put it back together.